2019 BMW Z4 Roadster, 2019 BMW Z4 release date, 2019 BMW Z4 price, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming GMC BMW brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 BMW Z4 Roadster, 2019 BMW Z4 release date, 2019 BMW Z4 price, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 BMW Z4 Roadster, 2019 BMW Z4 release date, 2019 BMW Z4 price, new cars by. We certainly have hunted downward BMWs as soon as an long-term compact roadster 2 times previously when on track previous summer season and once more in a snowy parking area 2 weeks earlier, but this represents the novice. We have viewed the car with the leading straight down, as nicely as what its dash panel and middle gaming console appear like. Slight design distinctions involving the two cars' grills and tires recommend various cut degrees as well as diverse powertrains. Also, 2019 BMW Z4 Roadster redesign. The topless car reveals the disappointing abandonment of the expressive and stylish headrest fairings that sprang out on the concept Z4 show car that previewed this upcoming Gen Z4. They have been changed by squared off of roll hoops, not in contrast to individuals located on the past Z4. Also removed are the concept's shark nose area renal system grille and the multiple factor chin spoiler with its profoundly recessed fine mesh inserts. Inside their position is a blunter, much more built-in nostrils with grille inserts that stay far more flush with the car's body. The outboard aspects look to be simply attractive. The interior pictures expose structure and design motifs plainly in sync with recent BMWs, and the show car's great deeply recipe controls is not anywhere in view. No less than one of the prototypes viewed right here has a totally digitized musical instrument group that copies the concept's awesome speedo and touch design. An independent impression displays a musical instrument group obscured by a black solar panel by which standard dials bracketing a smaller sized center screen seem to be rarely obvious. The center unit, even so, with its shifter and iDrive manages, might have been lifted straight from the concept. Why it issues, just as the concept Z4's expressive outside has become nicely toned straight down substantially for creation, so, also, has its interior. If the technical engineers also consider this tack and stay conservative in conditions of its dynamic characteristics, the Z4 could drive a lot more like the harmless prior age group model as opposed to a rowdy ragtop. Then again, a rowdy ragtop is what BMW has to aid repair some sparkle to its performance qualifications. The 2019 BMW Z4 Roadster will trip on a platform distributed to the approaching Toyota Supra, the second option presented only as a hardtop coupe, although the BMW can come only in soft-top convertible type. We are unsure what can constantly stay the scenario, but it seems sensible to obviously distinguish the items at the start. If BMW is effective in keeping body weight straight down, performance ought to complement or exceed that of the outbound Z4. Changing to a soft top design will definitely assist on the body weight front side whilst presumably also reducing the heart of gravitational pressure and growing offered baggage room. 2019 BMW Z4 Roadster engine and performance. Once we were actually betting individuals, we might point out that the car with the black rims and stowed roof structure is a Z4's Drive 30i, driven by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 well worth about 250 horsepower roughly, although the car with the bigger searching metallic dun tires and increased top rated is a Z4 m40i model with BMW's acquainted turbocharged inline-6 underhood, which ought to be great for around the very same 335 horses and 369 lb-ft of torque it is likely to create when setting up in the Toyota Supra. Each engine is going to be presented with a 6-speed manual and 8-speed automatic transmissions in the BMW. A better M edition would likely show up downward the streets, perhaps with the 425 HP dual-turbo inline-6 from the M3/M4. 2019 BMW Z4 Roadster release date and price. Predicted introduction and price: the new Z4 need to appear afterward this year. The sociable model commences just below $51,000 with its complicated collapsible difficult leading, physique. The new smooth-roofed model will begin someplace all around $50,000. Thanks.